What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove ads from Chai app. So, you might be wondering how do you exactly remove ads or those annoying ads that you may be getting on the Chai app. Well, removing them is actually pretty easy. So first things first is you want to access the Chai app here and just basically logging into our account. Now, you need to understand a few things. Now, the thing with Chai app here, you may notice that some ads may appear when you're using it, but if you want to make sure that they don't appear or remove them completely from your account, you need to buy a premium plan for Chai app. Now, the thing here is you can use the app for free, but in order for the platform to survive, they need to give or they need to show ads in order for them to earn something. So to support the platform here, buy a premium plan. So to buy a premium plan here, just click on your profile at the bottom right of your screen and click on the option here that says get premium. Click on it. Now from here you have two options. You have ultra and premium. Now ultra here is 400 Philippine peso. It might be different depending on your region. In my case it's going to be 400 Philippine peso in my case. And as you can see, for this one it actually removes the ads for it, so no ads has a check on it. Same thing for premium. If you decide to choose premium instead of ultra, it also removes the ads for it. Just click on try free and subscribe if you want to try it first, or just click on subscribe here to basically buy a plan for it. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.